How to start your subscription in Trades Copier. Hey, welcome to Trades Copier. Today I'll quickly show you how to subscribe and start copying trades in just a few clicks. First, from the dashboard, head over to the subscription plan. Click Purchase Now to begin the subscription process. Enter your card number, expiry date, and security code. Select your country and enter the postal code. You can start with 2 accounts. Each account costs $10. You also have the option to pay monthly or yearly. For this demo, I'm selecting the monthly plan. Once everything looks good, click Pay Now. After clicking it, you will be redirected to the Manage Subscription page. Here, you'll see the active plan. In this example, the basic product plan at $20 per month. It started on May 26, 2025, with the next payment scheduled for June 26. Need to update your card or adjust your plan? Use this button to change your payment method. You can upgrade or downgrade your subscription using this button, or cancel your subscription from here. On the right, the plan usage section displays your available credit and how many accounts are currently connected. Further down, the invoices section gives you a full record of your billing history, including payment dates, amounts, and statuses. For help with setup or billing, watch the tutorial or reach out to us at info@tradescopier.com.